Hello, my name's Bruce from Rycote Garden Machinery, and today I want to look at the areas we cover on the service. So let's crack on. So the first thing we do is an operational test. Does it start? Does it cut grass? And this one's self-propelled. Does it drive? So you can see this didn't sound great and also didn't drive. I think I worked that one out. You can see a drive cable snapped. So checks we make on this end of the mower, we can check the handles, the adjusters, the flap, the cables, adjust the cables if necessary, and lubricate the cables, check the levers, check the dead man, check the throttle control, check the pull cord handle, check the pull cord. And also around this area we're going to check the condition of the wheels. This is self-propelled, so we can check the gears and lubricate the gears. And also we do the front wheels as well. We'll remove the wheels and grease the bearings, check the bearings. We're going to check the height adjuster mechanism. Does it go up and down as intended? So the engine, we're going to check the fuel system, the fuel tank, the carburettor. We're going to check the air filter, clean the air filter or replace the air filter as necessary. We're going to check the spark plug, clean the spark plug, adjust the spark plug or adjust as necessary. We're going to drain the engine oil and replace it with good quality engine oil. We will check the deck condition. Is it rusty? Has it got holes in it? And here we have some very dirty engine oil from the mower. So underneath we're going to check the deck, clean the grass out, check the condition of the drive belt, adjust the tension off the drive belt if necessary. Going to remove the blade, going to sharpen the blade, then balance the blade, and we replace it. So once the service is done, what we do is give it a final operational check and a clean. Then it'll be ready to return back to the customer. As you can hear, the mower is purring like a kitten, but hasn't been cleaned yet after its service. To ensure the consistency and quality of our services, we use a 35-point checklist. For each point, it is categorised as green, checked and OK, yellow, may need future attention, and red requires immediate attention. Based on this, we can provide the customer with a detailed report and possibly a quote for additional repairs. A final walk round and check. The mower has now been cleaned. I think you would agree it's polished up rather well. running like a dream. So hopefully you found this video useful and informative, maybe a little bit enjoyable. Catch you on the next one.